You're not going to believe this. There's a guy on YouTube and Instagram getting millions of views, all by seemingly destroying luxury cars. But here's the wild part. None of it is real. Every single clip is AI generated, and so realistic, it messes with your brain. This isn't just about car crashes, it's about proving how tough these machines really are. Imagine a car surviving a falling boulder, or pulling a massive truck from a muddy pit. Sounds crazy? Let me show you. Picture this: a Rolls Royce, crushed under a massive boulder. Flames burst out, debris flies, the camera shakes. It's all fake, but your brain believes it. That's the genius of these videos. They're short, punchy, and unforgettable. You blink and it's over, so you watch again. Now imagine this: a luxury SUV pulling a long, heavy truck out of a deep dungeon-like pit. No CGI, no Hollywood set, just pure AI magic. The best part? You can recreate these clips yourself for free. No budget, no camera, no editing software, just AI tools, copy-paste prompts, and some creativity. In this video, I'll show you exactly how. I'm going to break down a viral car destruction clip and show you how to rebuild it. You'll learn how to choose a viral format, extract key moments, use ChatGPT for cinematic prompts, and generate epic visuals and sounds using free AI tools. Before we dive in, here's a quick glimpse of the kind of jaw-dropping clips we'll be creating together. If you're new here, don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and buckle up, because we're going full throttle into the world of AI-powered content. All right, let's kick things off with step 1. Let's start with the viral clip. All right, so here's where the fun begins. I head over to this creator's Instagram page. The same guy pulling crazy numbers by making AI-generated luxury car videos. I'm talking tens of millions of views. Now check this out. I found this clip of a Rolls Royce just chilling, parked like royalty. And then boom, out of nowhere, a massive boulder drops from the sky and crushes it like something straight out of a Fast and Furious movie. We're going to recreate something just like this. Step 2, download the clip. Now let's get that source video. You don't need any fancy tools for this. Just Google Instagram Video Downloader. Click on the first site that pops up. Head back to the Instagram post, copy the link, and paste it into the downloader. Hit that download button and boom, you've got the video saved. Easy stuff. Step 3, break the clip into key moments. Before we go AI crazy, we need to break that video down. Look at the clip and ask yourself, what are the 3 biggest wow moments? 1, the calm before the chaos. The car just sitting there, totally unaware of the disaster about to hit. 2, the impact frame. The exact split second when the massive boulder smashes into it. Pure drama. And 3, the aftermath. Dust, debris, wreckage, that slow motion worthy shot that says it all. We're not winging it. We need precise screenshots of each of these moments so the AI can mimic them perfectly. Here's how. Method 1, Windows snipping tool. Pause your video right on the frame you want. Press Windows key plus Shift plus S to open the snipping tool. Click and drag over your video frame. Then paste it into a folder or image editor. No need to save just yet. Method 2, print screen key, sometimes labeled PRT-SKR or PRT-SCN. Pause your video at the moment you want. Press PRT-SKR. Open Paint, Photoshop, or any image editor. Paste with Ctrl-V and crop to your video frame. Mac users, pause your video, then press Shift plus Command plus 4 to select your screenshot area. It'll save straight to your desktop. Pro tip, keep your screenshots organized in a clearly named folder. For example, calm before chaos.png, impact frame.png, aftermath destruction.png. These will become your visual blueprint when we feed them into AI later. Now that we've locked in our 3 golden moments, it's time to hand them over to our AI director, ChatGPT. This is where the magic really starts. Open ChatGPT. One by one, paste your screenshots directly into the chat. You don't even need to save them as files. Just copy and paste. Yes, ChatGPT can see exactly what's in your image and use that to build insanely accurate prompts. Once the images are in, here's exactly what I type. Please analyze these 3 images. Following the analysis, generate a highly detailed image prompt designed to precisely recreate the first image. Additionally, provide a video prompt that would effectively animate the key elements of that same first image. Why am I so specific? Because the clearer you are, the better your AI output will be. Vague prompts get vague results. Detailed prompts, they give you Hollywood. Now watch as ChatGPT breaks down your screenshot like a cinematographer. It'll describe every detail, lighting, camera angle, movement, and turn it into a killer image prompt. Then it'll give you a separate video prompt to animate that exact scene. And here's the kicker. These two prompts are your blueprint. The image prompt will be used to create your still frame. The video prompt will bring it to life. Once you've got them, save both in a text file. Label them something clear like Rolls-Royce image prompt.txt and Rolls-Royce video prompt.txt. Trust me, you'll thank yourself later when we start generating. Now that we've got our Hollywood-level prompts from ChatGPT, it's time to turn them into a jaw-dropping still frame. For this, I'm using Ideogram, but you can also use tools like Midjourney, Leonardo AI, or Blue Willow. Ideogram is my go-to because it's fast, free, and the results are insanely realistic. Here's how I do it. Set your aspect ratio to 9:16. Copy the image prompt ChatGPT gave you. Perfect for TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Paste it straight into Ideogram's text box. Then, just wait a few seconds, and boom! Ideogram spits out 4 different versions of your scene. Now here's the trick. Don't just grab the first one you see. Really look at them. Which one feels alive? Which one tells the story? In my case, I picked the version where the giant boulder is perfectly frozen mid-air, the Rolls-Royce sits helpless underneath, and the whole scene just screams something insane is about to happen. That's exactly the feeling you want. Once you found the one, download it. Alright, we've got our perfect still frame. Now, it's time to make it move. To turn it into a short, cinematic AI-generated video that looks like it belongs in a Hollywood blockbuster. Open Vidu AI and log in. Go to the Image to Video tab. Drag and drop your still frame into the upload area. In the model drop-down, select Vidu Q1. Now, jump back into ChatGPT and grab the video animation prompt it gave you earlier, the one that matches your exact image. Paste that prompt into Vidu's text box. Before you hit generate, set your format. Vertical video, choose 9:16. Horizontal video, choose 16:9. Once everything's set, hit generate and watch the magic happen. In just seconds, Vidu Q1 transforms your still image into a 5-second ultra-realistic animation. The boulder drops, the dust explodes, the camera sweeps dramatically. It looks like something straight from a Hollywood VFX studio, but you made it with AI. And here's the beauty of it. You can tweak, reprompt, and regenerate until you get that perfect shot. This is the moment your project stops being just a still image and becomes an actual viral-ready video. Never run out of viral ideas. All right, you've got one insane AI video in the bag. But here's the million-view question. How do you make sure you never run out of ideas? Easy. You let ChatGPT do the heavy lifting. Here's what I do. I tell ChatGPT, give me 3 brand new, over-the-top video concepts, each with a detailed image prompt for generation and a matching video animation prompt to bring it to life. Keep it in the same ultra-realistic cinematic style as before. And boom, within seconds, it hands me 3 complete viral-ready blueprints, each one already designed to hook viewers in the first second. From there, it's just rinse and repeat. Pick the idea that excites you the most. Take the image prompt and paste it into your favorite image generator. Pick the best still frame it gives you. Drop that into Vidu Q1 image to video. Paste the matching video prompt. Set your format. Hit generate. Just like that, you've got another viral video ready to upload. And the best part? You can do this over and over, forever. It's like you've built your own AI-powered content factory, cranking out short, addictive, jaw-dropping videos on demand. Now let's talk sound, because a viral video isn't just about what you see, it's about what you feel. Sure, you can slap on any background track you like, but if you want your video to hit, you need sound effects that are laser-matched to your visuals. Here's how I do it. 1. Go back to ChatGPT and give it the exact same video prompt you used earlier, but this time ask, create a sound effect prompt that perfectly matches this scene. Copy that custom sound effect prompt and head over to 11 Labs. Click on the Sound Effects tab, paste the prompt, and hit Generate. 3. In seconds, you'll get 5 tailor-made sound effects, built specifically for your clip. Listen to each one, pick the perfect match, and download it. Or drop the sound into any video editor you like. Sync it frame by frame with your footage so the moment of impact, the bass, and the reverb all land at the exact right time. And that's it. Now your clip doesn't look epic and cinematic. this point, you've got everything you need to recreate viral AI videos from scratch. Visuals, motion, and audio. If this tutorial has been helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and stick around for more AI video tricks that'll keep your content on top of the algorithm. Thank you.